So it's Thursday morning, the 9th of April 2026, and I'm off on another adventure, heading to Folkestone Central Station to catch the 0728 service up to Stratford International. Then I'll walk to Stratford Station to catch the train to Norwich and Norfolk. So that's today's plans. Here hopes that not like last Thursday, getting cancelled because of emergency services. I know these things can't be helped. So hopefully I'll get to Norwich today, so fingers crossed. It's certainly a glorious day today. It's supposed to be about 20 degrees later. So that's me at Folkestone Central Station now. Takes roughly about 20 minutes to walk from my friend's house to Folkestone Central Station, so it's not too bad. That usual walk up this little slope, getting too old for this. So I'm catching the 0728 Southeastern HS1 service up to Stratford International. 0728 Southeastern HS1 class 395 service from Folkestone Central up to Stratford International. The journey up to Stratford International begins.
We will shortly be arriving at Folkestone West. We have now arrived at Folkestone West.
Approaching Ashford International Station in Kent. Approaching Stratford International, where I'm about to get off here.
be arriving at Stratford International.
So that's me arrived at Stratford International, so I'm now going to head to Stratford station to catch the 8:38 Greater Anglia service up to Norwich. Oh, that's good, the ticket barriers are open. I do have a ticket, but saves me getting it out. So then I head to Stratford Regional Station, which is this way. This is Stratford International Station. And I'm using the iPhone 15 Pro Max at the moment, but I will go onto my DJI Pocket 3 later on. That's the Westfield Shopping Centre there. So I'll head this way to Stratford Station. There's where I've just come out there. Head through Westfield, go over the bridge. So I'll head through the shopping centre to Stratford Station. This is the Westfield. So that's me just walked through Westfield, and I am now crossing the bridge to Stratford Station, not Stratford International. There's two stations in Stratford. It's a massive place, really. My goodness, what a size of a place. So this is Stratford Station here, where I'm heading for the 8:38 Greater Anglia service to Norwich.
Speak to staff or text British Transport Police on 61017.
Platform 10 it should be, so head down here. So head this way to catch the train. Some size of a station.
And we'll get it sorted. That's 6.
Here's my train coming now. The 0838 from Stratford to Norwich Greater Anglia service.
Of the safe no stone on board. And for your comfort and safety, CCTV is operational from Team Norwich, calling at Colchester, Tree, Ipswich, Stowmarket, Diss and Norwich.
That's me on my way to Norwich.
Welcome to this service for Norwich. We will be calling at Colchester, Tree, Ipswich, Stowmarket, Diss and Norwich.
Oh, sorry.
The next stop will be Colchester.
First station stop, Colchester in Essex.
To this service for Norwich. The next stop will be Manningtree.
Approaching Manningtree.
To this service for Norwich. The next stop will be Ipswich. Welcome to this service for Norwich. We will be calling at Ipswich, Stowmarket, Diss and Norwich. The next stop will be Ipswich.
So approaching Ipswich in Suffolk.
Welcome to this service for Norwich. The next stop will be Stowmarket. Welcome to this service for Norwich. We will be calling at Stowmarket, Diss and Norwich. The next stop will be Stowmarket.
They're certainly nice trains, these. And they can fairly move. Market.
Welcome to this service for Norwich. Will be Diss. The next stop will be Diss. Head and step when getting on or off the raised seated areas.
Approaching this.
to this service for Norwich. The next stop will be Norwich.
Approaching Norwich here in Norfolk.
We will shortly be arriving into Norwich. When the train presents its full personal belongings, and please have your tickets ready for the bearers and any other information. Passenger flight connections to 1027 South to the airport is on platform 3. 1035 Great Yarmouth on platform 5. The 1045 Sheringham on platform 4A. 1052 East Midlands Liverpool Line Street on platform 4B. Have a good standing train, please. Thank you for joining us today. We will shortly be arriving into Norwich, where this train completes its journey.
We are now approaching Norwich, where this train terminates. If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text the British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it, say it, sort it.
So that was a great journey on Greater Anglia from Stratford to Norwich here in Norfolk. Quite a nice station. So I'm looking forward to my day here in Norwich. I've never actually been here before. Out of all the places I've travelled to, this is my first time in Norfolk. There she is. That was the train I came here on. Greater Anglia Class 754. So proceed through the barriers here. So this is Norwich railway station. Quite a nice station. Served by Greater Anglia. What a grand station it is. So end this video here at Norwich. My next video will be of Norwich itself, but this video is separate. And thank you everyone for watching once again on my journey from Folkestone Central to Stratford International, then from Stratford to Norwich.